Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing the January BoxyCharm unboxing. I literally just received this in the mail this morning. So let's just jump right into it. BoxyCharm is a subscription service. You get it once a month. I think it's like right around 20 bucks. So you can sign up, or well, you can get emails to kind of get a sneak peek of what's inside. I try really hard not to do that as much as I want to. But you open it up and the month's theme is right up front. And this card also has all of the full price options that you get, but you open it up and I already see some things I'm super excited about. So the first thing I see is, we'll just go ahead and get this one out of the way. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Sizzle eyeshadow palette. And this time what I'm going to do is, ooh, it's super pretty. This is what it looks like. I've done my face makeup, like I did foundation, concealer, I set it, and then I put bronzer on because I wanted to do a try on in this video. So, ooh, yes. This is what it looks like on the inside. Super pretty. I've always wanted to try one of these Tarte Rainforest of the Sea eyeshadow palettes, so I'm super excited that I got this. Up next we have a Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick. This is in the shade Spritzer. Anyways, I'm going to do a try on in this video as well. So, I love Bite's packaging. It's really pretty. It's a purple color though, so that's kind of shocking that they would send like a berry color, because not a lot of people enjoy purpley colors. So, that's alright though. So, the next thing we have is this Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. And it's in a cool, like, this would be a lipstick tube is what I was thinking. But pull it out, and this is what the wand looks like. So it's got a nice fuzzy wand. I don't really like those hard plastic wands. So this will be cool to try out. And then we have a Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strengthen Moisture Leave-In Hair Mask. That's really cool. I've been wanting to try Briogeo. I don't like the sticker on here. It's rough. Yeah, so you have to put this in your freshly washed and damp hair. It smells really good though. So that's cool. And then the last thing I see are these Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. And you do get 2 of these, which is really cool because Tatcha is a expensive skincare brand. So I definitely want to try these out. These are for normal to dry skin. So it's just their sheet mask. So let's go over the pricing real fast and then we'll jump right into the try on. So the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strengthen Hair Mask is $16. The Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Sizzle Eyeshadow Palette is $36. It's kind of expensive. The Wander Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara is $24. Apparently this is a glossy mascara. It's interesting. The face mask for both of them is $24. And then the Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick is $26. Let's jump right into the try on. I'm going to start with the Tatcha eyeshadow palette. I mean, not Tatcha, Tarte eyeshadow. So I'm going to prime my lids with my Urban Decay primer potion. And then, so my first thought with these is that they're mostly shimmers. So I'm going to swatch them for you real fast. And there's those shade names. So I'm just going to start with the very top pan work my way around. So this is an 8-pan eyeshadow palette. So you get like 3 mattes in here, which is really all you need to do an eyeshadow look. Like this is a matte, this is a matte, and then this last one is a matte. So that's what they look like. Really pretty, very high shine. I am going to start off with this cream shade right here. I'm going to take this on a Morphe M573 brush, and I'm going to put this down into the crease to start our transition shades. So there's not a lot to this shade that I'm noticing. It's very, very light. Like I don't even see it on my eyelids. Well, moving on, I'm going to use a Morphe M441 brush. And I'm going to take this shade here, which is one of the other matte shades in the palette. My cats are being crazy, I apologize. So I am noticing that it does take quite a bit to build these shades up to a decent opacity. This Luxie 231 small tapered brush, and I'm gonna take this darkest shade here, which in the pan it looks shimmery, but when I swatched it, it did not. And if it is, it's not very shimmery. And I'm just gonna pack this on the outer corner. Okay, so this is what we've got so far. I need to blend out this eye a little bit more, but we'll worry about that in a second. I'm going to take, let's go with this purple shade here. I'm going to take that on my finger. And I'm going to place it on the lid, all over the lid. And then I'm going to take this pink shimmer shade here, and I'm going to put that right in the center. And I'm going to blend those two on the edges of that pink. This is what we have. My Morphe E36 pencil brush, and I'm going to take that middle toned matte shade. I'm going to go underneath the lash line. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a different pencil brush. I'm going to take this e.l.f. pencil brush. And I'm going to take, I think, this lightest shimmer shade here. And I'm going to hit right underneath the brow bone. And right in the inner corner. I'm actually going to mix a little bit of this pink shade as well for the inner corner. Alright, so now I'm going to put on this mascara. This is the Wander Beauty Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara in the shade Black. Once again, it comes in this like squeezy tube type deal. This is what the wand looks like. It's kind of curved. So there's definitely volume. It looks like there's some length. It's just not super black. I mean, you can see it. So, I really like this mascara, especially for the lower lash line. It's got a drier formula, which I tend to like. I don't like one that is, goodness, super liquidy. Got a little bit of fallout under my eyes. Yeah, I don't like one that's super liquidy, so This is a really good formula for me, at least. And it did very much volumize my eyelashes. And the last thing we can try from this box is the Bite Beauty Spritzer lipstick. Again, that's what it looks like. So it's a light berry shade. I don't know, this is straight up purple. It's really interesting to me that they would choose to send a purple, especially with, well, I guess maybe they're thinking, I don't know. I mean, I like Bite Beauty's formula. It's very rich feeling. It's very opaque. Just the shade is... Okay, so overall final opinions. I'm super excited about the face mask and the hair mask. I really like this Tarte palette, if only because the packaging is beautiful. I feel like I have a lot of these shades in my collection already, but it's a really beautiful package, so I plan on sitting it where you can see it. I really like this mascara. I think it did really good things for my eyelashes. I don't like to wear false eyelashes that much. I have kind of sensitive eyes, so they tend to irritate my eyes. And then the Bite Beauty lipstick. I love Bite Beauty's formula. I think the shade is not. So overall, this box is great. I give it like an 8 out of 10. Just wish they'd have chose a different shade for the lipstick. But that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Comment down below if you subscribe to BoxyCharm or if you do another subscription service. What's your favorite subscription service? I used to do Ipsy and I got really bored with it. Like, I didn't like what they were sending anymore. It was really not the best. So yeah, comment down below. Don't forget to like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video for me so that we can get my name out there. Thanks so much, you guys. Bye.